Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a wig by Outre. This is their leave out wig in the style Curly Twist 14. You can find this wig at your local beauty supply store, online, and maybe if it's legit, you will also be able to find this wig on slatesecrets.com. But for now, let's see what this wig is about and we will go from there. So let's get this bad boy out. All right, let's get started. This is the tag for the wig and here's the back side. Already, can we start with, I love the curls on this wig. Love, love, love the curl pattern. Okay, so the first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my usual comb through. Let's see if this wig sheds. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but that is hair that came from this wig. So there's definitely some shedding going on for this wig. The next topic is smell. This wig smells like a brown paper bag, 100%. I can't even front. It smells like a brown paper bag. It doesn't smell bad, but if you don't like the smell of a brown paper bag or cardboard, that's what we got here. So keep that in mind that it does smell. But to me, it doesn't smell bad. To someone else, it might. So we will give a credit for it not smelling bad. It has a smell, but it doesn't smell bad. So kudos to that. Volume. So by default, it's curls. It has volume. The curls, they're bouncing. They're moving. They're alive. You know, the curls, they're juicy. So great volume. And then the hair ends. The hair ends look good. They look just as I would expect them to look for each strand, for each curl strand. You know, they're not dry, they're not frizzy, so kudos to that. And as far as the hair texture definitely feels like synthetic hair. I wouldn't say that it's scratchy, but it's not 100% soft. It just feels like it's synthetic hair. It does not feel like human hair. The best way I can describe it, if you were to just go to the hair store and get synthetic hair tracks, it feels like synthetic hair. So at least it's not dry. So kudos to that. As far as the hair pattern, they call this a curly twist. To me, it's like a loose jerry curl. But the one thing we can agree on is that this has curls. And these curls are tight curls. They're cute. You know I love the curls. You already know. I am a fan of the curls. So kudos to that. The next topic is true to length. This wig is supposed to be 14 inches long, so let's go ahead and double check that. Definitely right on the money for 14 inches. So the 14-inch mark is right there. So we can give them a point for true to length. Now let's talk about the wig structure. So this wig is a U part where you can leave out hair. So let's go ahead and look at the cap. So where the U part is, they give you 3 secure wig clips. Don't know what else to call them, but you can clamp these clips into your hair so that you can have leave out. So there's 3 of them, right? And then there are 2 wig clips on the side. So we'll call those the classic wig clips. And you see how Outre has their name all over the cap. Wow, I've never seen that before. So let's flip to the back. So this wig cap is mesh, and then you see at the bottom there's another wig clip, a classic wig clip, 2 drawstrings with a good amount of belt loops to adjust the cap size. So that's pretty much it for this wig. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and I just want to say the first thing I want to say, and you probably already know what I'm going to say, but this is big head friendly. I'm like surprised. I thought that it was going to be tight, and it's not tight at all, and it actually has some stretch, you know, so I like that. I like that a lot, but it's cute. This hair pattern is nowhere near my natural curl pattern. I have natural kinky curly coily with a little dash of frizzy, maybe like 10 dashes of frizzy 4C hair, and it would not match this wig at all. But if you have someone who has a closer hair pattern to this curl pattern, sure, But for me, it's going to look crazy if I were to leave my natural hair out. So maybe with this wig, a good idea could be, you could probably turn this into an invisible part wig. Just throwing ideas out there. And since it's stretchy, you can cut the strings and bring it closer together, which is going to make it a little bit tighter and create an invisible part wig. You could do that with some tracks pulling over it. Just an idea. But yeah, this wig is cute. You already know I am a side part, a deep side part kind of gal. So let's go ahead and slide it to the right. Oh yeah, that's cuter. You already know I am biased, okay? I can't help it. I am a side part kind of gal. So I love it. This is 10 times cuter, in my opinion. But yeah, overall, I'm rating this wig a 9 out of 10. Losing 1 point because it does shed, which is expected from a synthetic curly wig. So you guys let me know if I should add this wig to slatesecrets.com. Most definitely, for sure. I will leave the links down in the description for Amazon if you'd like to get this wig on Amazon Prime or just Amazon. Because you can buy from Amazon and not have Prime. They'll just charge you for shipping. So anyone and everyone can shop on Amazon. But either way, links will be down in the description. That is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments. Let me know if I should add this to my store. You know, I'm trying to be the new hair plug, okay? Amazon is a plug, but it's nice to have multiple plugs, you know? In my opinion, it's nice to have multiple plugs. But let me know what you think. And be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!